Class 7 Maths, Exercise 3.3, question number 4. The performance of a student in first term and second term is given. Draw a double bar graph choosing appropriate scale and answer the following. So, some data is given which represents performance of a student in first term and second term. So, there are different subjects in a class of a student. Those are English, Hindi, Maths, Science and Social Science. A student has given first term exam as well as second term exam. Marks of first term and second term are given. Now what we should do, we should draw a double bar graph choosing appropriate scale. So first we'll draw a double bar graph. So this would be the double bar graph for the given data. So the green represents first term whereas pink represents second term. So x-axis we have subjects whereas y-axis we have the marks scored by the student. So we have taken 1 unit is equal to 25 marks. Okay. Since the highest is what? 95. If you could round figure, this becomes 100. So you can take 1 unit is equal to 10 students also. But I have taken 1 unit is equal to 25 students. Okay. You can take any scale as per your convenience. So double graph, we know there will be 2 graphs. Okay. So for English exam, first term student got 67 marks, whereas second term he got 70 marks. So here this is 67, this is 70. So 67 is what? Less than 70. And the middle marks between 50 and 75 is what? 62.5. So 67 is slightly higher than half of 50 and 75. So at this point we get 67. And 70 is what? Slightly more than 67. So this is 70. Next is 72. 72 is what? More than 70. And in Hindi, in second term, he got 65. So 65 is what? Slightly more than half of 50 and 75. Now in maths, if we take, student got 88 marks in first term, whereas he got 95 marks in second term. So 95 is slightly less than 100, whereas 88 is further less than 95. Similarly, if you take in science, in first term, student got 81 marks, whereas in second term, he got 85 marks. In social science, first term, he got 73 marks, whereas in second term, he got 75 marks. Like this, we represent the given data in double graph. Now, let us take question number 1. In which subject has the child improved his performance the most? So we know that first term is conducted first, whereas second term is conducted next. Now we should find in which subject the child has improved his performance the most. So if you take English subject, the improvement in score is what? +3. Whereas in Hindi, if you observe, the marks has dropped from term 1 to term 2. So here this became -7 marks. So in maths, score improved from 88 to 95. That is, he got +7 marks improvement from first term to second term. Whereas in science, 81 became 85. So 4 marks improvement. So in social science, 73 to 75. That means 2 marks improvement. So for the question, in which subject has the child improved his performance the most is what? +7 score. That is in maths. So in maths, the child has improved a lot. Now let us see question number 2. Question number 2, in which subject is the improvement the least? In English, the improvement is what? +3 marks. Whereas in Hindi, there is no improvement, but there is decrement. But in the question it is asked, in which subject student has improvement the least? So this we cannot take. So in maths, +7 improvement, science +4 improvement, whereas in social science, +2 improvement. The least improvement is what? Social science. That is +2 marks. Okay. So answer for question number 2 is social science. Now question number 3. So question number 3 is, has the performance gone down in any subject? So if you take Hindi subject, in first term, student got 72 marks, whereas he got 65 in second term. That means there is -7 decrease in score in Hindi from first term to second term. So the performance gone down in Hindi subject by -7 marks.